everyone, I am Apurva Mahato from Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand, and I have completed my graduation in BCom Honours from the college, the Bhawanipur Education Society College under Calcutta University, and I have completed IT support course at Avision TechnoServe, and the trainer ensured that we will able to understand all the concept of the CCNA, ITIL and other IT support concepts, and the trainer methodology is outstanding. So the trainer explains every concept with real time example and real time tools that allow me to gain more knowledge on real time work experience, and they had cleared all our doubts, and this helped me a lot to get job in Cantik Technologies with the salary package of rupees 2.7 plus LPA. So I would say the Avision is the best platform to kickstart the career in IT field. So I want to thanks to all the members of Revision TechnoServe for being with me throughout my learning journey. Thank you.